Ebusianfo aha Ghana's TV GH. Mesra will like, comment, subscribe. Turning on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, will be notified. Mami a friend Nana ya brɛfo. Shame on you. Nanaya, shame on you. Wu Nanaya, Ebra Akufo-Addo ɔmampanin no. De bia na chastise Akufo-Addo. Always chastising Akufo-Addo. As Akufo-Addo there, oye Nebuchadnezzar. We've not seen his type before. As Akufo-Addo ye nipa boninia. Only Ghana at heart. De bia na akoye campaign ama NDC. Eka che Ghana for say NDC no na better alternative. Enti ebe ya wonto abanoma NDC. Na why esa campaign nyine wie. Na NDC aba power wejani ekotina US. We from minimo waka kire unsuspecting Ghana for say omo de omo kona mo to abanoma NDC because unnim ewo wakuma mu say NDC for omo ntimi govern oman we nti ebra NDC nyambre mu ya na udwane koe je say ye na ye gyimie ya ye ni obia wo US ye na ye gyimie enti utimi ka che say enko to ababoni ni wia ya na ye gyimie for ya ye gyimie for ye na ye betini enye sa ye say wo de wo so koye uba e wa manoni na me hu say some conversation went on online na conversation na ekoso no utimi hu say later ni nyina no ekoye say agenda ye plan bi. And this tells me beyond reasonable doubt say adia na ya brɛfo ye no na ye NDC inspired na ye Ibrahim Mahama inspired na ya any Kevin Taylor na omunka Kevin Taylor has on several occasions na ya asem we bae na ba Uber ni sensem no Kevin Taylor be ka say onu Kevin Taylor no obeto ka ama na ya brɛfo no creation na brɛfo be ka say Kevin Taylor we ready mini pledge atonka onyata watoka na ama no obisa won say obia na Kevin Taylor pen asem eba ne sen na Kevin Taylor timi konya sika etia ema brand new car ema no answer no is simple one eta Kevin Taylor chi. Your guess is as good as mine, Ibrahim Mahama. Now because allegedly Ibrahim Mahama empese on find the name ever straight ever say oh me talker amana na ya brɛfo. Or they allegedly know this can never Kevin Taylor so. They talker no mama mean. Now you know some games ni nyina because him say sa papa na your friend Ibrahim Mahama ono aso na share Rafeji. Raf the fellow Ghanaian echi. And sa kosa sema na Rafeji nyina bra Akufo-Addo power nyina no. Na Ibrahim Mahama neta nechi enti NDC baba mu no na Ibrahim Mahama talker brand new car mi Ibrahim Raf no. Adwumpa hini na wo you Germany no. So later you discover say na Ibrahim Mahama na wanichi. And a lot of others. They say Ibrahim Mahama there, he has played his card very well. Eti Ghana for Munche the ekoso. Say the very journalists are leading mu astray in as they say there, omo jam to your fate. Left you to your fate. So that next time ukono ko to aba, enkasa celebrity bi, enkasa slay queen bi, enkasa osofo bi. To abama abaya unim say omoba they have the poor at heart. To abama NPP. Because NPP net member bamuna health insurance eba. NPP net member na free maternal care. NPP member na free health insurance free senior high school. Free dialysis in NPP. Drone delivery NPP. Until when somebody comes to deceive you, why would you sell air or color TV now the color black and white? Said the empty. That's some benny. No sense. It makes absolutely no sense. It's a for. Let us all come on board. MPP 4-year registration. Why one man only? Why one man? The BIO TBA with my registration. Get to one of the centers. Register yourself. 2028 in there. A communal labor. Yeah, for the conversation about this is happening, but before then, Ghana CMTV be a second studio. Whole voter region. Sremo, Mumbai. Total cost only 25,000 Ghana. Young client to me. What they call dollars in my $2,300. Kitwa Bianswa. Any donation can go to the voice of number Iwo Dambinity. We await your support as you do it always. But before then, don't go anywhere. Constitutional happiness shares. I'll see you in the next one.
Until 2012.
Okay, Pocho, businessman on your me. Aye.
Wow, Mate, not a businessman.
Fantastic.
Good. Not a businessman. Until 2012. My brother, every president, and also what thing I be a friend engineers and planners. Na Ghana contract, baby, a contract, papa, yademano. This is what we are talking about. We are not so much interested in Ibrahim Mahama achievement in the plan or uncle we are seeing. Nobody cares. What we are interested in say money na Japadian for. That is what we're talking about. That is our concern. Maestro Marcus say ya to about year 2016. Na January 1st, January 1st, January 2nd, 2017. Na John Dramani Mahama signed $2 million contract. That's what we're talking about. That's what we're talking about. Now MPP for Abba, and then Mame Kenya Chumfone MPP no Jesus for MPP for Kwan, a couple months or Jordan. MPP for Kwan, ye bo maswa ayi dove ebesi wo so. Na ye de no call court na court to see ontua sika no ma oman no because irrelevant, no job done. No what you $2 million enye ye. Akwa no buy or the bouncing check a bouncing kwan and or the mine MPP for the whole 8 years. That is what we're talking about. This is why we are saying mumu executives. We are not going to select mumu leaders. We want leaders who are proactive and who do the job for us. Fast forward. Any power they check a cop bang a bounce no. Fast forward 2025, 2026. Any panel samba Ghana your box site contracting na yes I am That's what we're talking about. So we, Marcus, me, and Maestro, and it is possible we are not interested in somebody's G-Wagon. We are not on top playing 100. We care less. Our main objective is that at the end of the money na benefit Coco for Gentimi Chamoka, Ghana for Dasumu, Dumso, and crying in your school, Papa and call. Still students are studying under trees. This is what we're talking about near this academy.
You know, okay. About 2 years back here, we need 100 million per invest in the black voter.
Yes, that's what we're talking about.
Loan, we need that kind of invest in black voter.
That's what we're talking about. Yes. Over the last 8 years, my check says he cannot need brother say no call to see and yes he come back no what say or no bar court no lawyers by says can what yet to no be and kakranka could be just can installment am I installment no so I no so what this can go bank be the check no bank na bounce. That is what we're talking about. Nobody's interested. Nobody's talking about Ibrahim Mahama and the mansions I was see and I don't know any other. We care less about that. We are talking about the ordinary Ghanaian. The boy on the street, Akrana all tongue, dog chains for street is that's what we're talking about. That lady who is selling pure water in Kenke to feed the children and take the children to school. This is what we're talking about. ye do man ni nyina japade ama ba akofo maestro abi fancy anom nto aso
Marcus
Mebra memfa kakra bi nso so nesi hwe
yo
mo beje di say since Mahama besi ne ba sheriff for some hwan Mebra boy no ori school da ben ino oye edwuma da ben make ya say obi a wa cho no ho prof say doctor say ono kita degree or di begina asu sheriff na edwuma ben na oye so sister papa we idine tu on the back up we say stand time na ne ban started to organize boxing dey kind papa wo position sa dey no wanye ne papa wo position no dey say the me nyina went to organize bibi ne ko after ne papa kwa wo position no oye den oyo nti say ne papa betna abendua no so dia oye onyehu ono no chew Mahama nusu ene ne ban ti say dia mebra ikin ni su ene ne ban wo de wo ebetna godu kim ne wo abusuafo nyina wa ayeye obiara tumi ye de ope ne kokofo me se enra me hema bi pa ni interview na mebra ehwe papa no sabi ne nan pa ye bibio sabede na mani kasa easy kwapasi code common chinam kwampo yin be na ebedi mpo nye bi because ni koko of 10 bags so say ahina bags aka but yenye obi etuma page sika the whole Ghana when you ska kran koto da me pray ni bi wo be sheriff for someone eduma be no kwaye no Ghana
ekaka wase oye say football agent to say abeda
oye paying si sheriff for someone offering a ban a we school or banabra so just restaurant me ametie mpo me pay more than on no crampo Ghana force want to be that restaurant but obi to me okoto pray only the onye news nya twom Ghana for especially them prepare of an Jacob brand nita dudu de su
anu put abo bi kra
peyin na wa for dey no so on me yomo ohun tane na nita dudu de tubu niti baka na tubu nko bi some fact yi de wo kana tubu a oya abede
in fact abeyam fantini na subo so tarbu you see so insert word bi abi wo be bi afafo
ye ka tubu a ewu
awuna Marcus ye nya ye fantifuri bi na so sometimes we use some word bi abi be afafa I swear
of tubu oya ho side na tubu oya around du sport bi who's the sport bi wo ma omukita dedi bi na what o fan fo fan tubu Jacob vanity na baka na tubu all day nkwancha
that be I want Marcus why santa why you mododo fancy ni ye bi o but santa we say you would buy you book am we bi afafa
niti Jacob vanity baka na danka watu fo danka fancy kana danka washwa watu fo we na wotiti platforms danka no kono wo but because of escape ya de amama na ya brɛfo ya na no twetwetwetwetwe dey apofio densu obeje ho bona na adu n'echi na se Ibrahim Mahama mani ske ya odokoye okonya ne ntafi wakana no ode atum because we one mani scam ono akwa na oba out obeda Ibrahim Mahama ase the kind of mama yenka no kwa Mahama be sigi pe ne ni Ibrahim wa be the whole West Africa ono no otiso Belonia na momo sole just a restaurant mpo yenya Captain Smart ye nanim today is the mareche or some you fi esieil pay there nanim na baka samareche if the samareche of esieil ba nanim white na na Captain Smart nanim ote obetre media su bo kwane tina na do atem there le be ko bo restaurant ewan tigana fa ya mama yenka no kre na sabi yenya nkra yenya mofoma ni yina yewu
that's it ne kone de iche de hina na ya ka NDC de we yamboa nti anonya de oboka ne ko bia all right okay mate
oh dia sempa na bu 24-hour economy. Oh, the asempa na wo, asempa na wo. 24-hour economy kwang. Oh, the asempa na wo, asempa na wo. 24-hour no job. Oh, the asempa na wo, asempa na wo. 24-hour no pay. Hava. Second independence, let go. Let go so. Second independence. Quen. Yeah. Quen for. Hava. See the muye rationalization. 001 010 100. Eza. Some of you cry there. Muye Christopher, but by force. Mwakwa joining Muslim for muye Ramadan. Ye bi bien you. Scan ni ho. E common kwa. Ina yewo.
Yempanimfo mu committee da. Koko ihu asem nyina ba e manitua. Em se mo majority fo no kosise ho a wan dwene ho so mbete so no. Mo ya we. Mo ntumi anka bibia nkyere. Ena minority fo mo de asem ho a ya de boy yetirimu pan ena mo sore. Man kan hwe ankyere. Enso mu ne yehwe mo. Abusuafo koko wansam ne yeka. De yeka nyina ne se yen ahemfo yenye politics. Dem besa moti ase no. Na emom asemba yeka. Enya se yeka afise enne fa ne se minority for na ba ha enti yeka atia obi. Ahokyira aba yeso enwo asem ne yeka. Enya politics. Empanifo de America nyina ne se mo antintim na mo anka bribi amfa kokoi ho a mo de ohaw abrɛ yen ahemfo no ebe se na otwini na maame pani bi ba me nkyɛn na yati ne koko emma dada no yentuai ne bada hospital wa se ne esitie no ne ba no wakɔ hwenyenyiam se onye sika edikotua oba me ho no so kalamsefo akɔ tunsuo bia gogu ne koko yi so ema koko na aso a opeso okɔte no koko na asɛn mami di sun esun na esese yen ahemfu yi ebeto na so a ese opesika de mam efi so wo pɛ koko sika no magye akuta mo nsam mo fia de ma yen ebusuafo de watɔ dada no fama de ma me na muhu se ne amu petua kanti no se mutua ka 3150 something no na mpese mutua se 2000 na mi hu de o me mu ye no de wato dada no so wo fa na eti e besre mo ebusuafo mo de o hawa batu ye nnua ma no so ye ekuafo no so na ahemfo so se mo anyina ankasa ma yen a mo anhwe yi ebrebi beda ebeba abatuo no yentu biem efise mama unyehia abaye so medamase